Hey guys, I want to share with you how to get unsent purchase order reminders for workflows so that you can stay on top of purchase orders that have been created but not sent out. All right, so to find the templates, you're going to go to the gear icon, click Manage Workflows, and then select Templates. From here, find the new template, get unsent purchase orders reminders. So you hit Create. First step was give it a name. All right, so unsent POs emails, let's say. All right, so we'll get a reminder. We get to specify how many days after a purchase order has been created. So let's just say 1 day after, or it could be the same day. We'll try 1 day. Okay, and how we're gonna manage this here is what would you like to happen? So we'll have a task that's created. That's nice. We'll have a company email. We also can send a vendor email as well if you wanted to. That's going to be the scenario that we have here. So not sure if that will help or not. But simply put, we'll get a reminder at the time when a purchase order send status is unsent. Okay, an email is either a save and send or it's save and close, right? When you create these POs here. So that is how we're going to create that. Let me just create one last, add another condition here. If you wanted to perhaps filter it by vendor, we would have the ability to do that here. So those are a list of all your vendors here. So that could be really handy if you really wanted to trap and filter it per specific vendor. That could be a really handy one there as well. Or a location, that could be another one. And so our locations could within and without, that would be great if you were enabling the location feature. And then of course you could have the purchase order status is still open. I'd imagine that might be a good condition there. Okay, that's all there is to that. That's your workflow. We hit save and enable. And that is a cool thing to manage your POs. Hope that helps out. See you on the next video.